Many traders struggle with rapid market swings and need to make speedy decisions. But what if I told you there's a way to make trading easier and more profitable? We've got an awesome scalping strategy to share that can help you tackle the market and grab those profit opportunities. We'll be using the popular TradingView platform and some free indicators for a scalping strategy. And we're focusing on short-term trades. I suggest using 5-minute or 15-minute time frames for better results. While you can also use this strategy on a 1-minute time frame, I wouldn't recommend it because it's much riskier. Stick to the slightly longer time frames for a more manageable trading experience. Get ready to supercharge your trading game with the powerful Balance Algo indicator. This gem is a game changer for traders like you. Excited to get your hands on it? Here's how. Hop onto TradingView, head straight to the Indicators tab and type in Balance Algo. Once you found it, give it a quick click to add it to your chart. Trading with the default Balance Algo settings might lead to false signals, and we don't want that. But don't worry, I'll guide you through adjusting a few key parameters so you can enjoy a big jump in signal accuracy. Let's do this together. Alright traders, the Imbalance Algo indicator spots opportunities by marking candles with triangles above or below. With our break tweaks, signal accuracy is way better, but there's still a chance of false signals. No worries, we found a free, super accurate tool to help filter those out. Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe to TradeGenius for more valuable content and hit that like button. Now let's explore the FAS System 10 and 1 different indicators. Our awesome confirmation indicator. To add it, just find it in the indicator section on TradingView. FAS System needs some tweaks to work best for us. Here's what you do. Find the indicator name, spot the little gear icon and give it a click. That'll open up the settings where we can adjust it to our trading style and make it even more powerful. Attention traders, we've got our indicators locked and loaded. Now comes the crucial part, setting our trading rules. This is the backbone of our strategy, so let's make sure we get it right. Pay close attention as we dive into the details, and feel free to pause the video if needed. Okay traders, it's time to set our rules for short trades. We need two signals lined up. First, look for a red triangle above a candle. That's your sell signal from the Balance Algo. But don't jump in just yet. We need confirmation from our trusty FAS system. When every part of this bad boy turns red, that's your green light to sell. Both indicators must agree, so wait for that element before entering the trade. Once we've pulled that trigger, first up is setting a stop loss. Place it above the recent market swing high or above the Balance Algo line to shield yourself from any sudden market twists. When it comes to exit your profitable trade, you have two solid options. Option 1. Trailing a stop loss using the Balance Algo indicator line. This dynamic approach allows you to adjust your stop loss as the market moves in your favor, protecting your profits while giving the trade room to grow. Now, option 2. Set a take profit target at 1.5 times the distance between your entry and a stop loss. Now let's run through the rules for long trades. First, we need a green triangle below a candle. That's the Balance Algo signaling a potential buying opportunity. But remember, we still need confirmation from the FAS system. When every component of the FAS system turns green, you've got the thumbs up to proceed with a long trade. Patience is key. Wait for both indicators to agree before diving in. Once long trade is live, it's time to secure it with a stop loss. Place it below the recent market swing low or beneath the Balance Algo line. This will help minimize the impact of unexpected market moves. When it comes to exiting your profitable trade, you have two solid options. Option 1. Trailing a stop using the Balance Algo indicator line. This dynamic approach allows you to adjust your stop loss as the market moves in your favor, protecting your profits while giving it a room to grow. Option 2. Set a take profit target at 1.5 times the distance between your entry and stop loss level. And as we wrap up, remember that the key to mastering trading is continuous learning and refining your strategies. If you're eager to take your passive income to new heights, we've got just the video for you. Check out our recommended video on the screen and keep momentum going and take your trading game to the next level.